Hi there, today I'm gonna be making Lotus Cheesecake, and I love Lotus, so I'm gonna love this cake. And to start off, I have got crushed Lotus, as you can see, all nicely crushed together. And I've got some melted butter, just gonna pour it in and scoop the rest out with my spoon. And just gonna mix it all together. So I'm using a 9-inch pan, and remember this is the right side up. I flipped it so because this side has a groove, and when I take it out it will ruin the edges of the cake. So now let me just pour it all in. You can see the texture now. Okay, so now with this, I'm just gonna smash it and get back to you. Okay, so as you can see, it's nicely flattened out evenly, and I'm just gonna put it in the oven for 10 more minutes and get back to you. So while my base is in the oven, I'm gonna start off by making my gelatin. I've got some hot water here. Gonna pour my gelatin packets in, if I can find this one's there. Pour it all out, and I'm just gonna mix it. Not gonna touch the sides because it's really hot. So it's all mixed. I'm gonna set it aside and put it in and start my next step. So off camera, I made some Dream whip. I used 2 packets. I'm gonna put that aside and start making my cheese. I've got 1 pack of Philadelphia. A straight blob, and 8 pieces of unwrapped kiri. I'm gonna take that and pour it into. Let me just clean that, and I'm just gonna blend it until there's no more lumps. So it has no more lumps. I've got my Lotus. I'm just gonna put the whole thing in. It's really hard though. Doesn't want to leave the spoon. Get out! Got a big tail of Lotus. Okay. So I've got my nice beige color, and now I've got my Dream whip. I'm just gonna empty it all. Wow! I made a big mess everywhere, and now it's all over my apron. Tastes really good. So I've got my gelatin. It's warm, but it's still liquidy. And I've also got my pan, and I let it cool for 10 minutes, and it's quite cold, but you need to make sure it is cold, or then it'll ruin the cake. And I'm gonna pour it quickly, and then get the blender as quickly as possible, because it's gonna set quite quickly. Now I just need to start pouring it. I am done. So now I'm just gonna wobble so there's no more air bubbles on it, and put it in the fridge. So last night what I did was I put this transparent thing to support it, and then I took 1 big jar of Lotus and put it in the microwave for 20 seconds, and then I just poured it on top, and then I left it in the fridge for until today. Now I've got my Lotus biscuits. Just gonna put them like this. And put it like this. Okay, and then in the middle I'm just gonna put this and push it in. Goes in so smoothly. So I've got one biscuit now. I'm just gonna crush it. And I don't want to make a big circle covering the whole lotus, so I'm just gonna do semicircle like this. And I'm gonna enjoy this with my guests. And hope you enjoyed this video. Just need to be careful, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.